First question, which is the largest animal in the world? Right answer, blue whale. Yes friends, blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Blue whale is about 100 feet long and 200 tons in weight. Its heart is as big as a car. And for your kind information, blue whale is not a fish. They are mammal because they give birth, not lay eggs. Next question. Question number 2. Which animal dies after drinking water? Right answer, kangaroo rat. Yes friends, kangaroo rat does not drink water. They die immediately after drinking water. This kind of animal is found in southwestern part of North America. Which sea animal's blood is blue in color? Right answer, octopus. Octopus blood color is blue because it contains a protein called hermocyanin. Question number 4. Which insect can live without its head for a week? Can you imagine it? Right answer, cockroach. Yes friends, cockroach can live without its head for a week. Next question. Question number 5. Which animal cannot physically see towards the sky? It's a very interesting. Right answer, pigs. Which is the smallest bird in the world? It's a very interesting GK quiz question. Right answer, hummingbird. Hummingbird is approximately 5 cm in total length and its weight is less than 2.0 gram. Next question. Which is the only bird that can fly backwards? Right answer, hummingbird. Question number 8. Which is the largest bird in the world? Right answer, ostrich. The height of a male ostrich is about 2.1 meter to 2.8 meter and its weight is about 120 kg. And the height of a female ostrich is about 1.7 meter to 2 meter and its weight is about 100 kg. Ostrich lays the largest egg in the world. Ostrich eggs is normally 1.4 kg in weight. Is that cleared? Let's go to the next question. Which animal has 3 eyes? Right answer, totara. Totara is a lizard-like reptile which can be found in New Zealand. Question number 10. Which animal has 3 hearts? Right answer, octopus. Octopus is 8-footed sea animal which has 3 hearts. For your kind information, octopus has 9 brains and I told you before that octopus blood color is blue for existence of hermocyanin protein. Next question. What kind of creature is that which dies after giving birth to a baby? Right answer, scorpion. And friends, remember octopus is another creature which also dies very soon after giving birth to a baby. Question number 12. Which animal can see even with its closed eyes? Right answer, camel. And another interesting fact about camel is that they can live without water for a week. Question number 13. Which birds cannot fly? Right answer, ostrich. Not only ostrich, emu, kiwi, penguins, all of these birds also cannot fly. Next question. Which bird has no wings? Right answer, kiwi. Kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. Question number 15. Which animal gives both milk and egg? It's a very interesting GK. Right answer, duck-billed platypus. This type of mammal is found in Australia. Next question. Which animal cannot walk backwards? Right answer, kangaroo. For your kind information, kangaroo is the national animal of Australia. Question number 17. Name the only mammal that flies. Right answer will be bat. Which bird can rotate its head 360 degrees? Right answer, owls. Next question. What kind of creature is that which tastes with its feet? Right answer, butterfly. Question number 20. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? It's a very interesting GK. Right answer, snails. Yes, friends, snail can sleep for 3 years. Question number 21. How many teeth does a mosquito have? Right answer, 47. Which animal cannot jump? Right answer, elephant. Next question. Which is the tallest animal on earth? I think you know the right answer of this question. Right answer will be giraffes. Yes, friends, giraffe is the tallest animal or mammal on earth. Male giraffes can grow up to 18 feet, while female giraffes can reach 14 feet tall. And friends, remember, giraffe has no vocal cord. That's why it does not make any sound at all. And on more interesting facts about giraffes is that they can live without water longer than a camel. Giraffes can survive without drinking water for 3 weeks. Next question. Which is the most poisonous fish in the world? Right answer, stonefish. Question number 25. Which animal gives birth to a child despite being a male? Right answer, seahorse. Next question. Which animal may have stopped breathing for 6 days? Right answer, scorpion. Question number 27. Which is the only snake that builds a nest? Right answer, king cobra. Next question. Which bird does not make nest? Right answer, cuckoo. Next question. Which bird only drinks rainwater? Right answer, pied-crested cuckoo. Question number 30. Which part of the brain eliminates fear of man forever? Right answer, amygdala. Question number 31. It's a very interesting. Which part of human body does not grow from birth to child, stays in same size? Right answer, eyeball. Next question. What is the creature that never sleeps? Right answer, ant. And for your kind information, bullfrogs is another creature which also never sleeps. Which is the longest insect in the world? Right answer, stick insect. Which animal cries like human after being injured? Right answer, bear. Question number 35. It's very interesting. Which animal's sweat color is pink? Right answer, hippopotamus. There is red and orange pigments are present in the skin of hippopotamus. Therefore, hippopotamus secretes a reddish oily fluid from special glands in their skin. Next question. Which creature has no eyes? Right answer, earthworm. Question number 37. Which animal can digest a iron nail or a steel nail? Right answer, crocodile. Yes, friends, crocodile can digest a iron nail or a steel nail. Crocodiles have highly acidic or strong digestive juices in their stomach that can dissolve iron nails and other hard materials quite easily. Last and final question. Question number 38. Which animal never dies? It's a very interesting GK. Right answer, Turritopsis dorni, which is also known as the immortal jellyfish. Yes, friends, Turritopsis dorni or the immortal jellyfish never dies because they can repeat their life cycle process indefinitely.